How to export contacts from Monday.com to Excel. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and navigate to the board containing your contacts. Ensure the board has all the necessary columns, such as name, email, and phone number. 2. Click on the 3-dot menu at the top right corner of the board. This menu provides various options, including exporting data. 3. Select the Export to Excel option from the drop-down menu. This will initiate the process of converting your board data into an Excel file. 4. If prompted, confirm your selection by clicking Export. Monday.com will start processing the data and generate a downloadable Excel file. 5. Wait for the file to be prepared. Depending on the amount of data, this may take a few seconds. A notification will appear when the file is ready for download. 6. Click the download link to save the Excel file to your computer. Open the file to ensure all the contact details have been exported correctly. 7. If needed, format the Excel file by adjusting columns, removing unnecessary data, or sorting contacts for better organization. Your contacts are now successfully exported from Monday.com to Excel.